Why would someone decide to take a case to trial versus settling a case?
It may be that the insurance company are refusing to pay what is fair. And in the event that an insurance company refuses to pay what is fair, sometimes putting your faith and your trust in the legal system to get you what is fair is your only option. And in doing so, you got to roll the dice at trial and hope that those 6 jury members or one alternative will do what's just and fair and will find the truth. If the insurance company is paying you a fair settlement, then there's no need to make that risk. But oftentimes, that's why you need a zealous advocate to ensure that the insurance company is tendering to you what is fair.
Who determines the amount of a settlement?
Well, if you're talking about a trial, a jury does. If you're talking about the pre-trial settlement, it's the injured party. At the end of the day, the determination to accept or decline an offer always falls on the shoulders of the injured party. Obviously, as qualified car accident attorneys, it's our job to guide and instruct and provide you our best advice possible, and to make sure that any decision you make is based on a full, clear understanding of what's going on. But at the end of the day, whether or not you accept that settlement is the decision solely up to the injured party. How does
a settlement get calculated?
Settlement can get calculated based on a variety of issues. Most commonly is going to be your economical damages. What are the medical bills that you've incurred? What is the cost you and your family have physically had to write for the treatment that you've sustained or received due to this incident? In addition to that, we can also look at your wage loss. How much time have you lost from work? What earnings did you miss out on because you were treating or dealing with this injury? And then we can look at non-economic, right? What is the pain and suffering worth for this, right? What have you up until this point, and also in the future, what have you lost out on? What enjoyment of life are you now not being able to fulfill? Or, perhaps surfboarding is your hobby. Maybe you can't surfboard anymore, right? There's no tangible monetary value to that unless you're a pro surfer. And assuming you're not a pro surfer, we now need to calculate some sort of pain and suffering to that. So when determining a settlement amount, we're going to look at what we believe those economical damages are, coupled with what we believe the non-economical damages are, specifically what we believe the pain and suffering you've incurred in the past and that you'll incur in the future.
What else should an injured person take into account when considering a settlement?
They should take into account whether it's a fair settlement offer for the injuries and treatment they've received. Our goal is to not put anyone on a billboard and proclaim that they made money off this incident. If any of our clients could rewind the clock and make it so this accident never happened, they would. No amount of money is going to justify what you've been through. However, all we can do is play with the best hand that we were dealt and try and ensure that we obtain a fair settlement for the injuries and treatment that our clients have received and undergone.